up there. They're getting real fucking. Oh, no, never mind. That's that truck.
That's that truck. It's stopped.
Pushing the water.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna let this truck pass. Line up.
Ooh, you don't think we're getting a little far?
No, we're good.
You know how wide this road is?
Yeah, I know how wide this road is.
I know. I'm looking at grass over here. How deep is it back here? Pretty deep? That way? Yeah.
What's up, Harold?
What's going on, back?
Not much. Chilling. Yeah, dude. Yeah.
That's a beast, boy.
Just don't run off the road, man. You're in good shape.
Good looking truck. Watch us hit the only fucking washout on this road. He said, watch us hit the only fucking washout on this road. I'm barely this bitch. I would assume the mailboxes are on this side of the ditches. Yeah, if they weren't, then the mailman couldn't get to them.
Look at our waves.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Hell yeah. Gnarly, dude.
Okay.
Check this shit out over here. I didn't mean not watch the road. Lowlands. Alright. Gotta be up the street. Coming up on that truck. How you doing, sir? Y'all gonna get me in so fucking much trouble. How y'all doing?
You only live once.
How you doing, sir?
So much.
How you doing, sir? Yes, Sergeant. How you doing, man? Sergeant. How you doing, sir? Do not do that again.
What did I do?
Run through the water. Just slow it fucking down so Frank will stay off my ass. Oh. Either that or we keep fucking up and he'll say, oh, fuck it, ain't no use in the bitching. How about let's try it my way first? Yeah.